Hello Foot Geeks fans, and welcome to another episode of the Foot Geeks. My name is CJ, and today we'll be talking about ball and ring stretchers. So that's a device like this, which is designed to help you improve the fit of your shoes. Most likely, most of you that are watching this do not have a ball and ring stretcher at home. These things are not inexpensive. However, if you have a lot of shoes and you're a fashionista and you love footwear, but you have also issues such as bunions or hammer toes, where you need to be able to widen that shoe a little bit to prevent pressure on those spots, this is a great investment. And we'll post a link down below where you can purchase one of these on Amazon. Okay, so now once you have the ball and ring stretcher, what you want to do, let's say you have a bunion and you want to kind of soften up this little edge right here in the shoe. You probably want to get yourself an old insole from a pair of shoes that you're no longer using. This just allows you to prevent any kind of markings from the ring that we have here on the footwear itself. So what I usually recommend you do to kind of give this leather right there a little bit of give is you stretch it out right in that spot right there by putting the stretcher right here and then putting the insole in between to prevent the ring from showing up on the leather. And there we are. So now you have it inside there, and I have the ring on the outside to prevent this from pushing up in there, and then you'll squeeze it by pushing it together like that. And obviously now once we let go, it will create a little pocket right there, as you can see. That's going to improve the spacing for the bunion. So that's what the ball and ring stretcher does. If you have any questions regarding this device or how to use it, don't hesitate to post those below. And if you haven't subscribed to us yet on YouTube and you found this information helpful, there's a little subscribe button right here. Have a great day.